see, this is not yet soil. This is dirt.
Yeah.
But these are awesome, the walking onions.
Uh-huh.
I like the idea that this becomes almost a solid wall of walking onions that we have to like eat our way into a garden. They can be harvested all year.
Well, what I think is fun is I can just come out here and I just pick these tops off and throw these right in the stew, and there's no work there.
Oh yeah.
I don't do anything. Just grab a handful of these and throw them in, and that's the onion for the food.
Yeah.
And they're holding up your hill. Like this one, it's holding the hugelkultur up. There's nothing else here to make this be a wall. And I mean, this little beet is here. And this one is just holding up the hillside.
If we want mulch, we'll go and we'll hack out a whole bunch of grasses from a spot.
Uh-huh.
Just because it's mulch right there.
Yeah, you're just picking it and putting it right on the ground, right where you are.
Just to kind of open up this path, I probably came up with 2 bales of hay.
Here's some arugula. This is a daikon radish.
There's some lamb's quarters. We have tons of lamb's quarters. And I'm leaving the lamb's quarters.
Mm-hmm. Here's our kale.
Here's mullen. We
Yeah.
let the mullen do its thing.
It's so nice.
Because it's a great soil builder.
Yeah.
And this potato looks very happy.
Here's our, there'll be potatoes here.
There's some potatoes over there that are like 10 times bigger. And we didn't plant them.
Oh, here's a potato.
There we go. A hugelkultur has like the perfect kind of soil for potatoes. This is a kale that planted itself.
Uh-huh, it looks very happy. There's some tomatoes. There's fruit on your tomatoes.
Yes. Here is snowberry.
Yes.
The snowberry is a nitrogen fixing plant, but we have tons of it. It's toxic. The great thing is that it holds the hugelkultur together.
Uh-huh.
And what I do is I like to trim it down to be 3 or 4 inches tall, and that helps to hold the mulch up. So this is a wild buckwheat that's, does the viney thing.
Yeah, it's vining all through this other plant.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all over.
Yeah, it wraps itself around all kinds of stuff. The buckwheat is a powerful soil builder. It has a tap root that goes really deep through almost anything.
Huh.
It's like drills into the soil. And then once it dies in the winter, then that root breaks down and feeds the soil.
Uh-huh.
In fact, have you seen our apples?
Yes, and your grapes are coming on too.
Everything in here is planted from seed.
Nice. And it's shading your house.
And it is shading the house. It's getting there. It grows quite a bit more every year. And we had one that produced a lot of fruit last year.
Uh-huh.
And that fruit was so disgusting. And so we cut it down to the ground and it's trying to make a comeback. I keep plucking it out. But that tree there has like 8 little apples on it.
Excellent.
And it's its first apples ever, but they are small.
Uh-huh.
And so once they're ripe, we're going to taste them. And if they taste bad, we're going to take that tree out too.
Nice.
But the great thing is when we take a tree out, it's great stuff to throw at the top of the hugelkultur to help hold up more mulch and make the hugelkultur taller. I think these things are cool. The boots put these in.
Oh, a little step for you. That's great.
Little steps.
And it holds the hillside up a little bit.
Maybe a little, but mostly what I think it's doing is giving us a place to, garden.
Oh, there's grapes on your grapes.
Yes.
Wow. And there's a rock wall in here to help it get some warmth.
The sunchokes, there is probably about 20 pounds of tubers being made in there. We'll come through and we might harvest these in December. And there'll be like 20 pounds of sunchokes there. Here's some sage.
Oh, we had this for dinner and that was so good. Here's all your comfrey. So here's a garlic. Wow.
Oh,
a bunch of garlic.
Come with me, garlic.
How cool. You've got some St. John's wort here going to seed.
Here, let me fondle that for a second. Yeah, what a great mulch.